Attention Rays fans, we have some thrilling news to share with you. Nuke University Florida Technical College is now the new official technical college of the Tampa Bay Rays. This partnership marks an exciting new chapter for both organizations, and it is not just about business. It's about creating opportunities that make a real difference in the lives of those around us. Together, we can achieve more. Together, we can build a brighter future. Tampa Bay, are you ready to join us in this exciting journey? Let's make a difference together. Go Tampa Bay Rays and go Nuke University Florida Technical College.
Good throw, Chris. With our new Tampa campus, our deep Florida roots, and our shared dedication to community service, this partnership is a perfect match. For more than 40 years, Nuke University Florida Technical College has remained resilient, standing by our students and communities through every challenge. Now, as we expand to Tampa and launch our new nursing program, our mission is stronger than ever, empowering individuals, supporting our neighbors, and growing together. Our priority is to be outstanding neighbors, dedicated to serving the communities that surround us. And together, with the Tampa Bay Rays, we're dedicated to making a positive impact in the neighborhoods we now call home. Through this partnership, we're not just here, we are all in. Tampa Bay, we are ready to rise together.
Shot deep to